All right. Once again, I want to grab a drink. There's people watching. Here at the Beekeeper, okay, that's the entrance there. So last year the food was on the other end behind me. Now it's way down there. Okay, I see. A lot of great honey here too. You can buy all the honey you want. You don't blame people for bringing their honey to a bee convention. It's nice to see what's out there. I didn't do the trade this year. Last year I traded like 20 bottles or a case of my jalapeno honey for a bunch of other honey. It was nice. I didn't do it this year. I just hadn't bottled all my jalapeno. I got a lot of jalapeno honey and a lot of pepper honey, super hot stuff. Picante. I really just want something to drink. Let's see what we have here. Pepsi. But you turn in like 24 of your 24 bottles of your honey, and you'd get 24 different bottles of honey from around the states. Yeah, Dr. Pepper. All right. I'm gonna get the barbecue tonight. So